Russia-based Sputnik 5 vaccine in Kenya. This is according to the Ministry of Health, that says 2 more vaccine manufacturers have applied for the emergency use of their products in the country as the government looks to expand the range of COVID-19 vaccines in the country. Zainab Muhammad reports.
As the COVID-19 vaccination exercise in the country continues to move at a snail's pace due to hesitancy among Kenyans, the government through the Pharmacy and Poisons Board has announced the approval of the entry of yet another COVID-19 vaccine, this time from Russia. According to the Ministry of Health, the vaccine that is reported to have already arrived in the country has only been approved for emergency use.
We have reports about the arrival of the Russian Sputnik 5 vaccines in the country. We also know a technical agreement stipulating the responsibilities of all parties involved in the distribution is yet to be submitted to the Pharmacy and Poisons Board, which means that the vaccine has therefore not received all the necessary regulatory approvals for use in the country.
The ministry dismissing claims of existing adverts by certain private hospitals for the sale of the Sputnik vaccine, saying no hospital or pharmacy in the country is allowed to sell the vaccine just yet. The ministry insisting it will be applying stringent measures in matters distribution, sale and even batch numbers of the Sputnik vaccine once it reaches that stage.
Seen those adverts are false. There's no current pharmacy or hospital in the country that has a Sputnik 5 vaccine with them. And through the emergency market authorization, it is actually illegal for a facility to advertise and to say that it has that commodity.
The Russia-based Sputnik vaccine has been approved in over 68 countries across the world and is reported to have an efficacy of about 92%. As at now, a total of 64,100 essential persons have received the AstraZeneca vaccine, with the new vaccine expected to be distributed to the private sector for sale to those interested in the jab. Meanwhile, the National Assembly Committee on Health visited the Kitengela vaccine depot to investigate claims that some Ministry of Health top officials are colluding with private hospitals to get the vaccine at a price. However, after the visit, the committee dismissed the claims, saying the depot is secure.
There were a few issues that we wanted to find out, that they were concerned that these vaccines are being sold. And so from the team, and I know the management, they were going to talk about it. They are not aware, and we would urge the public, if they know anybody who is selling the vaccine, we would like to know, because the vaccine comes in free to the country, and it's also supposed to go free to Kenyans.
Zainab Muhammad, TV47.